As you can see, that wheel off, and it isn't too bad in here, but I would prefer just to give it a bit of a clean up. The back, that's a different story. When we look in the rear, we've got all the build up of dirt on here, all on the shocks, all around all the lines, and down here it's absolutely minging, all crusty. So we're going to get this all cleaned up.
Start off by rinsing any of the loose dirt before going in with the all-purpose cleaner. And then we're going to use the snow foam handheld pump action bottle thingy that I've got before getting in there with a little detailing brush. Then give it a thorough rinse with the jet wash, and then repeat the process on the other 3 corners. Now I'm just spraying the all-purpose cleaner all over the car before snow foaming it, just to help get rid of any of that stubborn dirt and road film. Then this is my favourite part. Take your detailing brush and get in all the little bits that a wash mitt wouldn't actually be able to get to. Now rinse the snow foam off of it from top to bottom. And get your 2 buckets, one with soap, one without, and get to washing the car, starting from the top of the car, work your way down. I choose to do my car in quarterly sections and always rinsing the wash mitt off before going back into the soap and back to the car. Generally speaking, you wash your wheels first, but as they were off the car, I did them afterwards. Apply the wheel cleaner, then apply a layer of snow foam just to stop from scratching the wheels when cleaning them. And with a real dedicated detailing brush, just getting all the little nooks and crannies. Get a wash mitt into there, into the spokes, and wash behind the spokes. Using the all-purpose cleaner again, I'm cleaning the tyres, scrubbing them with a stiffer brush, and using the detailing brush just to lather them up. And then repeat the process on the back side of the wheel, and then again 3 more times.
So that's the car all clean now, But we're not going to bother drying it, because I don't know if you can hear this, but we need to clay bar the whole car before we can polish it. So let's get into it. Right, so you get your clay bar, small little piece. You don't need to use the whole bar. You can either use a quick detailer, spray it on, rub the car, or just use your soapy water. So I'm just going to use my soapy water. Knead it into a nice manageable piece. Put it flat on the panel and just do this motion. Make sure you keep the panel lubricated at all times and just make sure you hit every part of the car. When you stop hearing that noise, you successfully decontaminated the car.
Basically, we're clay barring the car because that removes any contaminants such as tree sap and things like that build up on your paint that you can't get off just by washing it alone. But this does mar the paint, so this is why you have to polish the car afterwards.
Sorted. Now you can't hear anything. Once you clay barred your car, get a nice dry, clean towel, dry the car, and then we'll get to polishing. Because you cannot clay bar your car unless you're definitely going to hand polish at least the car afterwards.
Whilst hand polishing the car, try to do it in straight lines where possible. To see if the wax is ready, run your finger down it, and if it's clear, it's ready to buff off.
And we're done. That's the car all clean, arch is all done, polished, decontaminated, everything. We just need to get the wheels back on. But before we do that, I'll show you in the arches. No. Well, you can't really see because it's getting a bit dark out, but they are much cleaner. So let's get these wheels back on. There we go, there's your winter detail and protection all done.